Renovation of an old mill. Transformed exterior. The stones and the green color of the shutters stand out and give light to the house. In the living room. It is the place where the natural elements that the designer likes to add are displayed. The design keeps all of its large pieces neutral, then adds a splash of color with pillows and throws to make the room cozy. It also enhances the wood tones and enters the room with neutral rug. In the dining room of the house, looking into the dining room, there is a large table with black chairs for high contrast points, where the staircase to the second floor of the house delimits the space. In the kitchen, the cabinets are natural wood with a simple design for an open look to the small kitchen. In the bathroom, imperfect walls finishes are the main theme. In the bedroom, all the natural fiber textures used help to be cozy space without much contrast, keeping the decoration neutral. Outdoor furniture. The living and dining room showcases the natural elements the designer likes to add to a space, keeping all of his large pieces neutral, such as the oversized table with iron chairs alongside a seating area with wide outdoor furniture.